right there, it's a sensor out, but we're going with that means that we've hit a new world record wheat yield every time that thing goes off. That's the story we've come up with, and so far we're sticking to it. I'm really happy with the way it seems to be yielding yet. We don't have a monitor in here to tell us what's going on or anything. But we're cutting as low as we can to still get it to feed well, so we get straw off of this. The straw's a little tough yet, so it'll be a couple days before we come and bale it, but it's supposed to be in the 90s with no rain for the next several days, so we've got a good weather window to get it done. We've got about 30 acres here at the back of the home farm right now. We got some stuff that'd probably be a little bit drier than at the school where I went to high school, but the place we're taking the wheat's offering no dockage on the moisture, so we're gonna find all our first day issues at home instead of in town. Just getting the grain cart full for the night. It's starting to get tough, so we'll finish running this field tomorrow, hopefully. Got kind of cloudy on us. Figured I was able to start running wheat. That'll probably be the time we finally get some rain. Got straw on windrows. Well, it's about 10 o'clock the next morning. We didn't have much of a dew, and we got a nice breeze, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready to start cutting. DJ he's on his way back now from unloading the truck with wheat. Said we can't use it because there's something messed up with one of the dump cylinders, so we may have to go grab my uncle's semi to get running today. But we're only gonna run at the home farm, I'm pretty sure, because we filled the sprayer up with diesel fuel yesterday and our tank ran empty, and we've got about a third tank of fuel in the combine, so we don't really have enough to go anywhere else after here. It's the 3rd of July, so they're probably off today, and they said they'd be out Monday or Tuesday, which is fine. So we'll wait on DJ to get back, and we'll check out the grain truck and see what's going on, and then we'll go back and start running. We've probably got about 2/3 of the field to do back here yet, 20 acres or so. There's oil all over it. up there at the top between the two cylinders. Bad. Back here at the farm, it's hard for me to run the camera and got weak because I got this stupid sensor messed up. It's constantly beeping, and I don't think you guys want to listen to it. But we actually quit here at the farm about, it was a little before noon, and we had a custom job we went to, and we quit because we was out of fuel in the combine. And our fuel tank's empty here at the farm, and holiday weekend we can't get any right now. So I gave the guys we needed the harvest for a call and told them that if they brought fuel to the field where I was and filled the combine up for me, that I would take that off of their bill for doing the harvesting. And they only had 10 acres, so doing that, we traded the fuel for the harvesting, and then we'll figure the gallons up and settle up. But that's going to buy us the rest of the day of running wheat, where we couldn't have done that. We would have been stopped there at dinner time. So just topping the cart off now. I'll give Jared a call and he'll come get this and go dump it on the semi. And then probably only got a hopper or so left out here, and then we might go to the other farm. My cousin just texted me a half hour or so ago and wanted to know if we want another semi to use because their wheat is too wet to be cut. So DJ's over checking another field now for us, so hopefully we can keep running. They're out here climbing the hills. The other farm. Kenworth. So I thought when it comes down to Kenworths and Peterbilts, I've got to give it to Kenworth. So I like how the fenders are or the lights are built into the fenders. That's, I'd like a T800 Kenworth, I think, whenever we get a semi. Or a cab over a K100 Kenworth. One of them would be pretty cool too.
Semis is the Jake plays a half and full one. What's half? What's the difference?
It's the next morning. We're just getting ready to go combine wheat. We're going into the school farm. I just got the combine fueled up. I gotta grease it yet, but my cousins are gonna start cutting wheat today also. So DJ run their semi into town, filled up the fuel since they let us use it, and we're running it back to them. Guys, we got about 15 acres done out of this 50, and I just lost the water pump on the combine. Got hot on me, and there's antifreeze everywhere, so we're either gonna get my uncle's 9670 out or call my cousins. They've got their 9670 out. I think they just finished with wheat, so we'll see what happens. The 98's done for now.